So YouTubers, here we have a box. It's a pretty tatty looking box, I know. It's got water damage, things spilt on it. It's just looking pretty tired and sorry for itself. It is an old box, don't tell me how old, but I've had it a good 20 odd years. It's just been in a cupboard getting damaged, I guess. It is Japanese oak, I believe, and what I'm gonna try and do is just to restore it to its natural beauty. That's right. And how am I going to do that? Well, bit of sandpaper to start, and we'll see. Oh, yeah, that had a divider in the middle there. No, that's not in there anymore. That's just coming out. A little bit of glue just to stick that back together. So now we get our sandpaper and give it a good old sand down. Oh yeah, she's smooth to the touch alright, but I can still see a lot of water damage in that wood. This could take a while. Well, it took a while, but here we have it. A lovely looking Japanese oak wooden box. Look at the grains on that. Just look at it. That there is a natural silver grain, I believe, a feather, which is the way the wood grows, and that's what happens. It's rare, I think. Now we need to make this wood grain pop, and the best thing for that is boiled linseed oil. This stuff works magic. Now you want to let this stuff soak into the wood. Now I will let this dry, and then when it's dry I shall reapply, or whatever your preference is. Just look at that. Look at that. That's just popped. Oh yes. It's a fine looking box if you're into boxes. I guess I'm into boxes. Or wood. I like wood. Now that has given this box a new lease of life. The magic of linseed oil. So this is coat number 2 of the boiled linseed oil, and you can just see how much it enhances that wood grain. Truly spectacular, if I do say so myself. So as you can see, I've done the edges with the linseed oil, but I haven't actually done the inside because I'm a lazy so-and-so. So what I'm going to do to prove I'm not a lazy so-and-so is I'm going to do the inside right now. Ta-da! So now I'm not a lazy so-and-so. So if you've got a tatty old box, why don't you whack some linseed oil all over it and get it all moist and see what happens. This is a box restoration with Gizzy Greenfingers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da!